Hello, good morning year 5. Imitate with me Mr. Andy. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain our topic about input, process, output. This is our topic. Unit 1, Chapter 1, Know Your Computer. Topic with input, process, output. I'm going to show you my presentation here. Okay. Let's start. First thing first, we have rules. During Google Meet session, please make sure your microphone is off. Where is my pointer? Here. Make sure your microphone is off and your camera is on during Google Meet session. And then chat box. Please do not type unnecessary things on chat box. Chat box is used for ICT learning purposes. As you can see, there are codes for chat box. You can type P for present, Q for question, Y for yes, N for no, D for done, T for toilet, and then also me, M, me. What do you mean me? Me, it means like if you have something to ask, if you have to turn on your microphone, type M, then I will call your name, turn on your microphone, and then you can talk or you can ask question. Okay? Right. Preparation. ICT book and also water bottle. What do you mean? This ICT book, if you already have it with you, please prepare it beside you. Water bottle, it means prepare your water bottle beside you. Okay? I will not allow you to eat or to take water bottle during ICT session. Just prepare it beside you. Can I drink? Of course you can. Just drink it. Already prepared. Okay? Okay, let's start. I'm going to explain something about input. Input in English terminology, it's something that you go in. If you imagine you go to store or you go to mall, from the parking lot you go in to that mall. Okay? Go in. In computer, input it means the raw data given to the computer using input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. In this example, input also like as you put fruits in a juicer. In my example previously, input also like you go in from parking lot to mall, inside mall, go in. Okay, now in this picture, as you can see, there are two pictures. One with the juice processor. She's going to make a juice. Now the input is she put the fruit inside the juicer. Put it like that. On the second picture, she's doing a math problem. She's trying to solve math problem. 5 times 4 equal to. So what do you mean the input? The input is she's typing 5 plus 4. That data is given to CPU, and then CPU will process it later. But she's typing using mouse or keyboard this data 5 plus 4. Send it to computer. Okay, go into computer. Okay, now this is another example of input. What I have explained earlier. You go to somewhere, mall, store, shop, other your relative's house, your grandma's house. Go in from outside, go inside. And then the second one, doing laundry, wash your clothes. The input is you put your clothes inside the washing machine. So you can see it. Mommy, this example is mommy put her clothes inside the washing machine. Put it there or put it there. Input. The last one is about cooking. This chef put something ingredient into the pan. Input. Okay, send the input, send the things there into the pan. This is another example of input. Now let's talk about process. What is process? Process is to do things, to do things. In daily life is to do things. Now in computer, processes mean the raw data is manipulated to generate information by performing certain operations using computer's processing device. That is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Device, hardware that is responsible to process your data in computer, it called it CPU. Also it called it as a brain of computer. Okay, now it is similar to the processing of fruits in the juicer. In this example, after she's putting all the fruit into juicer, she will press on button on juicer, and then the juicer will process, will blend, will juice, will process fruits. Same like computer. In the earlier, she typed 5 plus 4. When she press enter, that data put it into the computer and it will process it with CPU. This one, CPU. Okay. Now here's the another example of process, still related to the previous of input. At the first example, you go to store, you go to the mall, you go to let's say shop, and the process is you do something there, right? Inside store, shopping, buy groceries. That's the process. Take this, take food, take beverage, take snack, take chocolate, all the things. Go to the cashier, pay for it. That's the process. Second example about washing machine. After mommy put all those things, clothes and also we call it detergent to wash your clothes, and then mommy will press on button there, and then washing machine will start turning around, boom 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 boom, process, wash your clothes, something like boom 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 boom, and then same also with cooking. After chef, you, mom, or who else put the ingredient, put all the things into the pan, it will start cook. That's the process to do things. Good? Okay, now output. Output in English terminology is something like result. The result of that activity. Computer output is the information generated is known as output. It is given to the outside world with the help of output devices like printer, monitor, etc. It is similar to the juice served in a glasses after processing. So, in this example, making juice after juicer process your fruit, then done, finish. What can you get? What will you get? What is the result of that juicer? You will have a nice juice, right? Now, same like computer. What will you have here? After you type 5 plus 4, enter to the computer, CPU will process it. CPU will give you result 5 plus 4 is 9 into monitor. That's the output, the result. I'm going to show you the other example of the previous example. On groceries, when you go to store after shopping, the output is you will get your things, right? You will go out from the store with your pack of your things, with groceries, right? Now, washing machines, when you're done, if washing machine done already, turn on, wash it, the result is, the output is, you will have nice clean clothes. Of course it's still wet, you need to dry it up, but the result, the output is you will have clean clothes, right? Now, on cooking, what you will have? Telur ceplok, omelette, food that you serve after cooking. That's the output. Output is result of processed thing. Okay? Now, quick check. Which one is input, process, output? I think you know already. It's about coffee making. You know already about this quick check. Coffee making, processing, input, process, output, right? So, okay, year 5, that's all for today. We'll meet again next week with another video, another topic that I will explain to you again. Okay? See you.